Just started another print. I did not auto home before I started to print, so let's see if this thing prints into the air. All right, getting temperature. Almost there. Should be quick. I want to see if this thing starts printing off the battery. Remember, I did not do the auto home first. Sometimes it'll print in the air if I don't auto home. So while it's getting hot, I'll hit tune and just be ready to turn the nozzle to the left to make it lower, or turn it right to make the nozzle higher. Again, we don't want the nozzle to touch the bed. It'll scratch it and make a mark. So always, if you're not sure, what you can do is you can turn these knobs to the right and it'll lower the bed. So just think right, down, left, up. Just think that, yeah, right, down. It'll lower the bed. So if you're not sure, turn these down a little bit until you know that you're not gonna make contact. All right, so right now it actually is still printing at the right height, but if it was up in the air, what you would do is you just turn this down, bump it, click, click, click. It'll make the nozzle go closer. This is actually printing nicely, so we're not gonna mess with that. Again, how do you know if it's printing too high? It wouldn't stick and it would just kind of start dragging and look like it's just kind of getting floating on top. If it's too low, kind of hard to see on this one. If it was too low, the nozzle would be down so low that you would be kind of see-through. And if it's see-through, that means you're not leaving enough room for the printer to leave its first layer height. Yeah, this one's working fine. So we'll let this one print, and it should be a good one.